Hello guys, so today we're back again with a new guest, Teddy. Teddy, say hi. Yay, he's not really speaks in English, Lithuanian or any other language, so sorry about that. So yeah, Vape, Teddy, Vape, you're the star. Alright, so what we got also today is Vape Thunder. Cheap and amazing device. Teddy's laughing. Everything's good. So yeah, we also got VCMT 2 we're gonna be reviewing today. So hope you're gonna enjoy it. Let's see what we got. Let's see. So yeah guys, as you can see we got this packages over here. As you can see, Vape Thunder. I'm gonna go ahead and open the first. So little specifications for you to read out if you like. So yeah, let's just jump straight away to inside. And so yeah, we got over here this nicely packed mod, one USB cable, manuals like usual. Bam. So yeah. Let's take it out of the box and see what it is. So we got in silver color, or I would call it stainless. It has, as you can see, this, I would call it cobra snake skin style bag that actually is like rubbery something. I don't know. It feels like kind of plastic, but with a grip, more like rubbery but with soft bits on it. So it feels even better for me maybe when a like proper snake skin, because snake skin for me it feels like greasy or so, and this one feels like nice, quite nice, soft, and you can feel some kind of texture, but you cannot feel the grease. So I like that. So mod is powered by dual 18650s. That way gonna go in there in serious mode. So it goes negative up, negative down. And you also get this little strap to take out your bottom battery. When you close it up, just remember that. So I would like to talk about this bit. That's like black glass, so that looks nice and smooth. Gives for that mod some kind of hit that I really like about it. I don't know, it's just black glass, but that made me quite impressed because that's not like high-end mod. Also on the bottom, and I think it's hard to scratch, or scratches won't be easily noticed. So I really like that they use that on bottom and on top, because on the top usually it gets scratched from the atomizers, on the bottom from just putting it on the floor, on the table, or anywhere else. So yeah, on the front we get, you won't believe me, 3 buttons like on normal 250C or any other color DNA chip. So as you can see, it looks pretty much the same. I got like my custom logo on my DNA, but so that looks a bit different, but to be honest, the brightness and the look of it looks pretty much the same. Even the size of the screen looks quite identical. Just on Thunder looks a bit rounded because probably of the outline thing. So yeah, so basically the menu on this device is your screen. I will try to go ahead and lower the brightness a bit for you. So yeah, if you press the middle button, you can go all around your screen and change selected things. Basically, if you want to change the wattage, press the middle button again, and then go ahead and change it. So yeah, this device goes up to 200 watts. It increases by 0.1 watt from 1 till 99.99. After that it increases by 1 watt, or if you hold it quickly it also increases by 1, so this makes you makes all the things quicker for you. So as you can see, up under over the 99.9 watts, it goes up by 1 watt. So if you press the middle bell again, you can go through your temp controls, bypasses, and so on. So one feature that is even better than on the DNA devices, that you can actually turn off, that you cannot really do on the DNA device. So that's the feature that I really like, because on DNAs you can only lock the whole thing but not turn it actually off. You can also lock your ohms and stuff like that. So it also has 2 battery indicator for each battery separately. The screen is bright enough, and yeah, it's a decent device. So let's jump to our tank. And yeah guys, before we go to the VCMT tank, I would like to introduce you to new thing that came out from Coil. It's called DIY Kit Mini V2. Let's open it up and see what it is. So it has this hard case, plastic case, and that one doesn't come with, and that one doesn't come with. So yeah guys, what you get in there is pretty much all you need for your traveling set, I would say. You get ceramic tweezers for your coils. You get really good scissors that actually cuts and really well, because what I've seen from other companies, they don't even cut the cotton, so these scissors are alright. As you can see, cuts the paper. So yeah, let's try to cut something else. What else? Got this cheese, cuts the plastic easily. So yeah, so you also get this little sharp tweezers. It's really good for wicking your cotton. Also you get this, I don't even know how we call tweezers again. I don't know names in English for these ones. And you also get this screwdriver. That's my favorite bit. Basically that gets in there, and this bit spins, so when you put it there on your hand, it doesn't rub into your hand. Yeah. So yeah, you get positive, negative screwdrivers, or other people call crosshead and flathead. You also get like Allen key type heads for your tanks, RDAs. Yeah, you get 2 different sizes. So that's 2 most commonly using sizes. So yeah guys, I'm gonna use this one now for VCMT, just to show you how good is that. So yeah, we got this VCMT2 tank over here that comes with a broken seal. Well yeah, we all knew comes with that. So what we got in there is O-rings. Yay, O-rings. You get screwdriver, more O-rings, and spare screws in there. You also get this thing that you want to bin straight away, just to make your tank capacity smaller than you want it. You get small glass, that's about 5 ml of juice, I think, without strange shit. Also you get this bubble glass, that's usually in the box. Oh my god, sun came out in UK. We got this VCMT tank. As you can see, it has 4 airflow holes. It has this top filling, that's pretty decent. What else we got? This frosted bubble glass that holds about 8 ml of juice. So I would like straight away talk about cons of it. First thing, what I didn't really like, that it opens too easily. Like, there's as you can see, these kind of holes, like channels, something, for a little knob that's inside there. So it slides through there, and it's supposed to lock in there. But it's hard to do so because airflow is turning 360 all around, and you can't really grab it So you have to try to hold on this bottom bit to just lock it in there, but then it just slips. So that's one con that you have to be quite careful. So yeah guys, what I would like to show you about this tank most importantly is how to wick it. I got this wick recently in there, all these premium juice just sucking everything up and ruining all the things down. So I'm gonna use this Coil Master DIY kit and place it on there for you to show. So yeah guys, I'm not gonna show you how to build it because it's pretty easy and I think everybody already knows how to, but I'm just gonna try to quickly explain you. It has two big holes that's about to fit your fingers in and basically both coils legs go in one and another one positive, one negative as usual. Has flathead screws and this massive airflow in there. Excuse about the sirens outside. So yeah, airflow is quite big. This coil is flat Clapton, can't remember what gauge, but it's quite big wire. It just fly wraps and takes about whole space of 25mm deck, and yeah, so airflow is insane. Juice channels are nearly the same size as airflow, and that's big, really big. So if you not wick it correctly, you're gonna end up having loads of juice in your pockets. So let's go ahead and take some cotton bacon. So basically what I do, I take some cotton bacon or whatever cotton you use, lead it through there, take the scissors, and I'm gonna snap them around there where the whole RDA deck starts. So to measure it, it goes from there till there, something like that. So yeah, I would say about there. See? Yep, about there. Sorry that I'm blocking the view. So yeah, you want to leave quite a lot of cotton, maybe even a bit more than that, than what I said. It looks about right now. As you can see, the ends of the cotton goes a bit further than deck, and do same on the other side. Just try to use same amount of cotton that would be your coil diameter would be. So don't be shy to use lots of cotton, and don't worry, it will work because this juice channels is just too big. So we're gonna snap them same length. So now what I'm gonna do is just spread it all around the place. You don't really wanna take out any cotton, but what you want to just make it fluff as much as you can, and same on the other side. Now what you're gonna do is take end of it, make those sides equal, and basically what I do, try to pull it through there in the middle, and then from the middle I pull it out more and then put it in the corner. Push it in the corner. Then what I do, from this bit, I pull it there, and then try to fluff it out again. And the last step would be pull it up a bit, tiny bit, but make sure it's still there, touching the bottom of it, like this. I don't know if you're able to see, but it's quite dark in there. And if you're not sure, again, inside there, just try to push it back in the corner and do same with all four sides. So yeah guys, this is how it looks, properly wicked VCMT 2 tank. So you now about to put some juice in there and have a good vape. So yeah guys, we're back again, and well, also would like to tell you like something more about this device. Like, for this price, I don't really think you're gonna find anything better, honestly, because look of it, it's like DNA-ish. Let's call this, yeah. I think we can call it that way, because every DNA device has this like quality name. Well, most of them. I can't really tell all of them, but most of them. Feel of it. It's also really about like holding something more expensive than usual. One con would be that the screen looks a bit, for me, cheapish, but on its own, it's something really different for what you usually get for that amount of money. Yeah, VCMT2 is also a great tank, I would say. It's like, is it worth the money? I can't really tell, to be honest, because at the end of the day, it's your personal choice on this thing. Every tank is different. Like, flavor wise, everyone gets different flavors on every tank, different airflows. Build quality on that is amazing. Airflow is more than enough, I would say. It's quite loud and it's quite big. It's like 4 holes, what you would expect else. Filling is alright. Unscrewing it from the tank, sometimes it's pain, but it's usable. So also it just needs a bit of time to get used to how to build it, how to wick it, because it tends to leak if you do something not right. So it's quite unforgivable tank. I don't know if I said it right. Alright, so anyway, this mod I definitely would suggest for everyone who's looking for something different, something a bit more maybe durable, maybe something different looking for lower price. For someone who wants to try that DNA-ish thing, how it feels, I would definitely recommend this before maybe going to another step to buy something for, let's say, £200, £250. So you can have a look how that one feels and just go for something even better. But I would definitely suggest this mod for anyone who's looking for something cheap, good, that feels good in the hand, and someone that doesn't really like plastic. So hey guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned on our YouTube channel. I hope you are in my group on Facebook. If not, you're welcome to join. Our Instagram also is still rock and rolling time by time. So yeah, keep up with the news, keep up with us, and see you next time. Hope it's gonna be soon. I'm out.